How do you do this? Working in Canvas and Collaborate Ultra. I prefer working from the home menu in Canvas, and here you can see a couple of modules that are dedicated to being resources. But starting with a video is where we're going to be having our lectures. You can certainly watch it inline in Canvas, but if you go to watch on YouTube itself, you'll be able to see all of the different chapter starts and be able to access that independently. If you want to catch up on some specific things in the notes that were there, I'll always post the PDF of that presentation in that same module, and you can download that sucker, save it, and open it, save it, work with it side by side with your assignments, which is always a good idea so that you can be applying the exact things that Heagle's looking for. Collaborate Ultra is our platform for online synchronous stuff built right into Canvas. You can see that I've got week 1 there. That's a scheduled one that's not open yet, but here's a join session. We can pop open an existing one. And here's the instructor. He's already working so feverishly. If I want to join, I can share video or choose to or not to. That's me also participating. And I can also raise my hand to get the instructor's attention, at which point maybe he'll call on me. We can share voice there too, but over in the corner is where we open up this Collaborate panel. Chatting is what it defaults to there, and this is where you might ask a question. You can see that goes inline into the chat there. But amongst the share opportunities here are sharing our own screen, which might be pertinent if you're running into trouble and you need some help walking through something. So I'll walk you through how to solve problems sometimes on there. You can also share files with the group at large by adding files under share files there. So kind of from left to right, you've got chat, you've got all of those tools, and this is lastly everybody who's in the class. So you can see all of the attendees. Once the course has run its course, we can head on over to here. Sometimes we'll have recordings available. This is the instructor side, so you see start recording there. But more often than not, you're going to be using this button, the leave session button. Submitting an assignment. Here's one on the week 2 thing. We can just click on it, and here will be all of the instructions, which we will follow, of course, to the letter. And then once we're done doing that, we'll submit assignment. We can select any of a number of files, but PDFs are pretty typical. And when we hit submit, it lets us know that we've successfully done so with a little celebratory yippee. And let's say it's been graded. Heagle's gotten to it, provided feedback. Feedback is super important in this course. So we're going to go to grades and be able to access the specific assignment in question. You can see that it's been graded there. And there's a comment that says, see the comments in the document itself. We go to view feedback. Upon hitting view feedback, you see your original document with Michael's hopefully thoughtful comments right in line so that you can take action and make corrections based on those. Often we'll be doing iterative things. So this lets you literally address each and everything.